Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add video to a Squarespace website. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to squarespace.com and log in using your user credentials. After you do this, you'll be on your Squarespace dashboard. Here, you're going to click on the website option just right here. Now when you click on website, it will take me up to this page. Now on this page, you'll have to click on the edit icon at the top left corner of the screen. When you click on edit, you'll be on this page. Here, you can edit all the elements for your website. Now, you'll have to simply navigate to the page where you want to add your video. So I will scroll down and under exclusive services, I will delete this image and I will add a video here. So what I will do is simply hover my mouse over any empty area and I will see add block option at the top left of the screen. That is this plus icon. I will click there and I will see text, image button and video option available just right here under basic. So I can add all these elements to my website. If you don't see video, you can just type in video in the search, choose video, get it here. Now you can see you have successfully added a space for your video. Now you'll have to click on this area, click on this pencil icon that is edit, and now you can easily add a video. That should be up to 30 minutes. Click on this plus icon, choose upload file, and you can simply choose any video and click on open from your PC, and this will instantly upload that video on this page. You'll have to just wait. You can also scroll down and choose to mute this video if you don't want any sounds for this. You can choose whether you want it to be auto-played. If you want a loop video, you can turn that on, and you can choose whether you want the player controls like pause, skip 5 seconds and more. So you can choose whether you want the player controls to be minimal, none or all. You can also click on align vertically and choose how you want to align this video. You can also click on the pin option and choose the offset. Now, as you can see, the video has been uploaded. Now you can click on the play icon and this video will be easily played. You can do the same again with any of these pages. Just hover your mouse over there, click on add block, choose video, and a section for that video will be placed on your board that you can click on the edit icon, click on add video. You can select videos from your library, or you can also click on add from link and add a YouTube link. For example, I will navigate to YouTube, and for example, I will copy this video. I will go back and paste the link here. I'll click on add, and just by doing this, you can also add YouTube videos link to your website. Now I'll click on save and I will also click on exit. Now I will click on the preview icon so that I can get a preview of my page. As you can see, the video is just right here. Anyone can play this video. They can mute this or unmute this. They can view this video in full by using all the player controls, and they can also click on this play icon and see the YouTube video from just right here. So that is a simple way you can upload videos to your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.